This is day 3. We spent last night in Campbell Shelter. We had 5 of us in the shelter, surprisingly. Since we hadn't seen but one person yesterday, we were shocked to find, well, when we got here, there were 2 guys there, Slowpoke and Tom Horn. And then later, another lady, Rabbit, showed up. So we had a full house. We had a good time, everybody talking and living it up, chatting. It rained all night. We were expecting the rain to move out and be clear this morning because we were hoping to go to McAfee Knob and maybe catch the sunrise early, but it rained all night, and I think it's going to be off and on rain today. So we're headed to McAfee Knob. Don't know if we'll get a view. Definitely make our picture there. And that's that. So here we go. Yeah. Ooh. Headed to McAfee Knob. It's been an uphill climb since we left the shelter. Kind of steep too.
And slippery.
And slippery, yep. Excuse me. Whoops. I farted on McAfee. Oh, my GoPro is going.
I love it.
Alright, we got our shots at McAfee Knob. Too bad there wasn't a view. But it was fine. We enjoyed our time up there. We are descending, which looks like down into the depths of hell. It's so foggy. But I like the way this looks. We're going to come to a parking area. I think it was 3.8 from McAfee. So we've probably already been about a mile. There's a little parking area. We'll cross the road and keep going. I was hoping the air would be a little more crisp this morning, but everything is so humid, and it's I'm sweating pretty good. It's not as hot as the first day though. That was awful. This is a popular area for day hikers. They park down here and come up to McAfee. So this is a well-used trail. In fact, we've already seen 4 day hikers since we've come off of McAfee. It started to sprinkle a little. But nothing bad. I don't have my umbrella up yet because I really don't feel it hitting me much. I can hear it in the trees. And it's not just tree drippage. It's actually raining lightly. But that umbrella, while it works really well, it is a little cumbersome and it's attached to my pack. So I have to move myself to get around trees. Sometimes it'll hang up. But it's a good piece of equipment. Keeps my upper torso dry anyway. We stopped at John Spring Shelter for a snack. And we haven't quite made it to the 311 highway. But we can hear it off in the distance. We've met several more day hikers. And I keep smelling peppermint. I don't know if one of them had, I don't know. I don't know why I keep smelling it though. All right. Oh, ouch! Just twisted my ankle a little bit. We've got about 2 miles, I think, maybe just a hair more, to where we plan on stopping for the night, which is at a campsite, not a shelter. We just walked through a couple of miles of, at least a mile and a half of pasture land, up and over the hills. Ran into a few cows. They were not impressed. Oh, nice. We've kind of gotten a little bit run down, tired. Think you can hold that for me? Thank you. Sound hard. Ugh. If you made that easy.
There's the brook.
There is the brook. Wow, that's way down there.
Yeah, I'm glad we did the other water.
Yep.
I would have been something. Pretty.
That is pretty.